This time I have an awesome video for you guys. If you haven't checked out my previous video about Lululemon 2013 SeaWheeze half marathon, kind of a look back type of vlog video, go and check that out. I'll link it below. But today is a special day because I got my SeaWheeze shorts. Oh, this beauty. On my doorstep. I knew exactly what they were. Lululemon SeaWheeze 2014 is on August 23rd. And normally in the beginning of May, they start sending out their shorts. So with the Lululemon SeaWheeze half marathon, instead of getting a tech shirt or, you know, whatever, you get running shorts. Excited. So, why don't you guys come and open this with me so you can see what they're like. If you haven't gotten yours yet, it's kind of late, so, I mean, they should be coming soon. Sorry, I mean, the packaging is awesome. I just love it so much. I love the little quotes that they put on there. Let's see, that's a cute one. There's that. Hopefully you can read those. They're really, really fun. So they've always been really colorful, so I'm excited to see what they're like. I can get it open. Oh my gosh, wow. Oh, forgot about the pouch that they come in. Well, they just added that last year, so they have it this year as well. Oh, how cute. Alright, well, let me scooch back here a little bit so I can show you guys. Well, this is fun. You got little 3D glasses. So this is kind of the logo for the year, is this little eye thing. They normally go for the little weird fish guy with the legs, but it is this. Let me take it out of the package here. Yeah, I think I might just rock my 3D glasses through the video, huh? Yay? Nay? Oh my gosh, I can't see anything. What is this? Wow, okay. It's all psychedelic. Ooh. Is this supposed to be 3D? I don't really know. Okay. Can't see anything with those things on, but they're kind of fun. I wonder if they're gonna have something at the expo for that. Ew! Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna have to check that out. So if you can, I don't know if you can read that, but here's what it says. Guess what? The print on your SeaWheeze run shorts is 3D. What? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see them. Here's what you need to know. Don't wear these glasses while running. Durr. Don't wear them for an extended period of time. Or if you have a history of seizures or epilepsy. These glasses won't protect your eyes from the sun and shouldn't be worn while driving. Okay, well, they gotta put their disclaimer on it, right? And the other one says SeaWheeze half marathon, August 23rd, 2014. How cute! Oh my gosh, I totally cannot wait to try these out now. That's funny. So that's that. The pouch is really cool. I actually like it more this year. I wonder if everybody's is the same, but that's what mine looks like. It probably is, and it probably is. So it's got the little logo on the side here, and it is the sea kind of on the background with the little boat. I don't know if you can see that. And then it's got this cool little, almost like psychedelic little swish there. And on the other side, which is weird because the picture is upside down on the pouch. This almost looks like the coast of Canada there, so I wonder if that is what it's supposed to be. But that's what it looks like. Really beautiful. I love it. And then it just got kind of like lighter pinkish color on the bottom here. Ooh, I like the inside. It's very sparkly. I don't know if it'll come out for you guys. And it's got the logo in there too on both sides. Fun. These are nice for like bathing suits or whatever. It's kind of big, but I save them. I never use them for anything. But I always save them because they are special. I mean, it's so really limited. Oh, okay. So, now to the shorts. I'll tell you, they're not as colorful as last year. But here, so there were two styles to choose from. I went for the longer style, and they actually don't, they look longer on the pictures, and I feel like last year they were longer too. But I went for size 6, and here they are. Cute little pocket on the side here with a really pretty pink color. Or not pink, red. And it goes back. Oh, that's weird. Well, it's not big enough for an iPhone. No, yeah. I don't know why they don't. Oh! Okay, I was wrong. It sure enough fits my iPhone in here. Cool, I'm excited about that because I do always run with my phone just in case. So you just have to like slide it in sideways, but it sure does fit in there. See if I can fish it back out now. Oh, look! I'm over here. Sorry, my cat. Ta-da! Yay! I'm excited about that. That's really cool. And then the zipper's got the little Lululemon symbol on there. Can you see that? Yeah, so I really like them. Curious to see how the 3D works on it, but just super simple. The front, the back. Oh, and and then there's a little drawstring cord on the inside. And the inside is cute. Okay, so I just opened this, so it's not like they've been worn or anything, but I do want to show you the little underwear that's inside because it's pretty cute. It's kind of weird to show undergarments, but it's not. It's just the inside of the running pants, so I hope you guys don't get offended. Or you can turn it off at this point if you want. But look at the little undies that it comes in. Ah, it's got the little eye logo all over the place. And the front. Okay, that looks really weird. I'm sorry. Okay, so much for that. And then I think the tag's always kind of fun. So that's them. Oh, okay. Do you want to be on the video? Okay, he wants to be in the video. Here we go. This is Icky. Alright, guys. He's my little blind cat. Hi, buddy. And he has his summer haircut. He's a Persian cat, but he's got his summer haircut because it's too hot. It's too hot, isn't it? Is it too hot? Yeah. Yeah. Ready? Ooh. Okay. He's like, I'm done. Thanks. Okay. So, sorry. Totally random. That's the tag there. And this is the kind of shorts they are. So you guys can see that. They're called a tracker. Okay, I'll read it off to you first, and then you can look at it really quick. So they're called the Tracker Short 2. Number 1, yoga, run, party. So that's kind of the theme every year. Do a little bit of yoga the day before, and then you run, and then you party. They have a big party afterwards. Make a run for it. These special edition shorts were designed with SeaWheeze quads in mind. Number 2, woven for no bulk performance. Swift fabric is breathable and sweat-wicking with two-way stretch. Number 3, no dig elastic waistband is wide and comfortable. Number 4, he's on my lap, by the way. Number 4, ultralight liner helps keep you covered and your shorts in place. Love that. Number 5, continuous draw cord is easy to cinch mid-stride. And number 6, athletic fit 4-inch /10 centimeter inseam. I got them in size 6 and looks like they are $54. So they came for free obviously with the race, but the race was I think 128 or 129 Canadian dollars. So, and right now they're pretty much even with the US dollar. So about 130 bucks, give or take. But $54 out of that was shorts, and then the rest, you know, I mean, they put on a really good party, so I can't complain about that. But here's a little info about that if you're interested to read. Okay, so I'm going to test this 3D theory and see what's up. That's amazing. Because everybody should walk around with 3D glasses. Whoa! Okay. That's pretty cool. I'm like, I don't even know how to really explain it. I mean, it's kind of 3D, but some look like they're made out of that reflective fabric. I don't know why I'm showing you guys. It's not like you can see. Okay. You my buddy. Where you my buddy? Oh, my buddy. You my buddy. So I'm excited about the shorts. They're not as colorful as the previous years have been, but I kind of like that. They're a little bit more conservative, color-wise. Now, again, I'm not a big fan of shorts, so I'll probably never wear them, unfortunately. Maybe I will. We'll see. The other thing that I wanted to show you guys is every year they come up with a new SeaWheeze app for, well, I know they have them for the iPhones, but I don't know if they have them for the Androids. Probably. I don't know why they wouldn't. So this is what it looks like. It's the little eye. If you didn't get the theme yet, you do now. There's the SeaWheeze app. They launched it May 16th or so, I want to say. And it's basically a training app, so you can keep track of everything you've done. Oh, May 19th. Looks like they started May 19th. There's kind of a little calendar of here's what you should kind of be doing. So my progress, and then it's kind of by days of what you should do. So yeah, I'll come around here so you guys can see and I can read it at the same time. Okay, so for example, so you start on May 19th, a steady pace run. You can pick your route, right? Tuesday, do yoga. Wednesday, run. Thursday, cross training. Friday, you take a day off. And then Saturday, you do your long run. And then Sunday, run and yoga. And then it's kind of nice because it tells you, okay, 20-minute easy run and yoga. Go easy today. This short run will help you recover from yesterday's long run, plus yoga will help loosen your muscles. And then you can find a yoga studio. You can play a video. Let's see what that is. I haven't looked at that.
Hi, my name is Goldie Koffenberg, and I am so excited to be here from Boston. I'm your yoga ambassador for SeaWheeze 2014. The plan for today is to refresh the entire body with an emphasis on the pelvis and everything below it, some very gentle twisting, and a little bit of core work. This is a yoga class that you can do both before and after an endurance workout. It is not taxing on the body whatsoever. Instead, it promotes lengthening and oxygenating the tissues to get you back on the road feeling good. So let's get started.
Here. Okay. So I hope you guys really like this video, and go and check out my blog at kayleesadventures.blogspot.com. I have posted all my running, all my races on there, and just all sorts of other kind of things. I really haven't done any races recently, but go and check it out. If it's something that you like, make sure you subscribe, you like this video, and share it with all your friends, because SeaWheeze is awesome!